Alright, here we go to the second video. And here is the microwave. It is a convection, which means it has the grill. So you can cook your biscuits in this thing. Okay? So that's the convection. There it shows convection there. Here is the gas electric refrigerator. Okay. And it is about a 3 cubic foot refrigerator. It does have a little freezer here. Okay. There. A little freezer. Little storage area up underneath that refrigerator. And here are a couple of drawers. Paperwork in here. Owner's manual. A remote for the radio. Another drawer. Okay. Little storage up underneath the sink. And here's your sink. Okay. It does have a fancy pull-down type faucet and sprayer. Here is the description sheet that we put out on the trailer. Okay. Here's your plug for your coffee pot. There's a light. Little storage here above the stove. Top. It's only a 2-burner stove top. Don't need an oven because you got a convection. Okay? Moving on to the next video.